To listen how we have to write the geology and morphology of the geological section maps. We have seen how to draw the geological section maps. Suppose this one is very much clear and this map is also very simple. Let me explain once again. First of all, we have to draw a line along XY. Later, we have to fold the paper and we have to keep on the XY direction, and we have to jot down all these points, and we have to mark these lines. These discontinuous lines are counter lines. These continuous lines are the bedding planes. We have to mark on this XY line. Later what we have done, here is the 150 meter. According to the scale, 1 centimeter is equal to 100 meters. We have taken 1.5 centimeter and we have put it here one mark. 1.8 centimeter here I have taken. 2.1 centimeter here we have taken. 2.4 centimeter here we have taken. In such a way that first of all we have all marked on this paper. Next step, we have joined all these points with the free hand. All these lines with the free hand, friends. After joining all these lines with the free hand, you can reach up to this point, but you have to extend up to this Y. This side you have to extend this point up to the X according to the same tendency. This is the line which is called as a profile line that we already seen even in the second map. This may be clear. And the next step, we have to mark just vertically above the continuous lines which we have already marked on XY line. This is the point which indicates the B by A bedding plane. This mark is indicating the C by B bedding plane. This mark is indicating the D by C bedding plane. Likewise, we have taken all these marks. And then here bedding planes are parallel to the counter lines. Since the beds are deposited horizontally, hence we have taken these lines are parallel to the base. Then we have drawn the lines which are parallel to the base. One line which is started from this point, second line which is started from this point, and naturally it has to be joined with here because this bed is representing here B by C. This is the B, this is the C, and here we have written this is the B by C or otherwise C by B. If I start from the right side, I have to say this is the B by C. If I start from the left side, here I have to say above the B, this is the B and this is the C. Likewise I have to be right. So both are the same. So this line is representing above is the C bed, below is the B bed, and there just below is the A bed. In such a way that you do get the lines and you have to be named A, B, C, D, E, F, because here it is representing F by E. Or if you start like this, this is the E, above is the F, E by F, and again F by E. This is okay. Now after drawing this, we have to calculate the thickness. This thickness is almost all 1 centimeter, 0.85 centimeter. We have written here 85 meters, and this is 0.3 centimeter, 30 meters, 0.6 centimeter, 60 meters, and it is 0.3 centimeter, 30 meters, friends. So after drawing this map like this, we have already seen how to draw the second map also, and simultaneously both maps I'll explain point by point what are the points we have to be right here. Okay, friends, you see here first point, we have to see the direction lines in the map, and you have to be right along with which direction we have drawn the geological section map. This is the north, means first map we have drawn along with this XY direction. So X is towards the southwest to northeast. XY direction is southwest to northeast, friends. Okay. Now scale is 100 centimeter, and first point you write down the chosen area from the map is, you see here how much centimeter it is, almost all 20 centimeter. You say east to west, here is the 2 kilometers because 2000 meters you are coming across, and north to south it is somewhere 14 centimeter means 1.4 kilometer. The given area we have chosen from north to south is 1.5 kilometer and east to west is 2 kilometers. First point you have to be right. Second point, we have drawn the geological section map along with XY direction, that is southwest to northeast. Now, third point. After drawing a geological section map, we are coming across the profile is somewhere a small mold. Left side there is a gentle inclination, right side also there is a steep inclination we are coming across. This is the cross section of that area. Okay. Third point, you have to be right. In the given area, the lowest height from the mean sea level is 150 meters and the highest one is a 420 meters height peak. And third point, in this map, how many beds we can able to trace out means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 beds, in which A is the oldest. How it is oldest? It is because it is situated in between 210 meter and 180 meters. It means it is deposited 180 meters height from the mean sea level. Whereas F bed is deposited 420 meters height from the mean sea level. Quite naturally, at the bottom we are getting the oldest beds, at the top we are getting the youngest beds. Hence A is the oldest, F is the youngest, friends. Another point, according to the map, here counter intervals we are observing is the 30 meters and almost all the lines are parallel. Bedding plane as well as counter lines are parallel, hence here bedding planes are deposited horizontally. And we are not getting any destructions in this area. There is no fault, no fold, okay, no joints, no dikes, nothing is there. Very simple area here. Here bedding planes are deposited one on other and we can able to trace the thickness of the bedding planes, friends. According to the drawing, we have already traced out the thickness. If you want, you can cross check. It is almost all same. If you choose the D bedding plane, here in this D bedding plane we are coming across two counter lines. One counter line is having a 30 meters value, means two counter line means 60. So D is supposed to be 60 meters. After drawing, you are supposed to be get to 60 meters here. You have got it. So almost all we have drawn correctly. And another one, if you want, you can cross check. B bed is having three parallel counter lines have passed. Each is having a 30 meters thickness and total 90 meter we are expecting here. According to the drawing, we have got 85 meters thickness. It is almost all right. So in such a way that we have to be trace out the thickness of the different beds. It is once again the 60, this is the 30. Okay, right friend, it's a very simple map. After drawing the geological section map, we will come to know what type of the profile we have and what is the thickness and geological destructions in that area. There is no destructions we are coming across. Very simple deposits we are coming across in this area. Okay, that's it about a brief explanation about the geology of this map, friends. Okay, thank you.